Hello everyone, and welcome to section 9.6, which is all about classifying conics from their general form equation. So occasionally you'll be given just the really long equation. It's already equal to 0, and we've seen these kind of with circles and with parabolas where we could complete the square and such, but there is a easy way if you're given a whole bunch of jumbled equations and you have to identify which is which on what's what. And really, it's all about the coefficient of the x squared number and the y squared number. So for these purposes, we'll call the x squared number a squared, and the y squared number c. So if a is equal to c, we know right off the bat that we have a circle. And of course, for all these situations, we're talking about when we're already equal to 0, or at least when a and c are on the same side. So if a equals c, we have a circle. If a or c equals 0, so there is no x squared or there is no y squared, we have a parabola. If either the x squared or the y squared term are negative, again, when they're already on the same side, we know it's a hyperbola. And if they are not equal, but both positive or both negative, then we know it is an ellipse. The reason if they're both negative it can work out is because we could just move everything to the other side and they'll both be positive, but still be unequal, so they won't fall into that circle category. So just a couple for quick purposes and making sure that these kind of sort of make sense. So here I have my A, here I have my C. They are equal to each other, so I know without having to do anything else, I have a circle. In the next one, I have my A, which is 5. I have my C, which is a negative 3. And so A is not equal to C. One of them is negative. I know that that is a hyperbola. So really all we're doing is looking at those coefficients to determine whether or not we have a circle, parabola, hyperbola, or ellipse. The book does talk about a way where you can do the discriminant to figure out what you have, but it's much easier and pretty much does the same thing if you just look at what your coefficients are. So that's about it, and we'll take a look at this a little bit in class, and I'll see you then.